Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we just installed our Vantech H1 Ladder Rack on our 2016 Ford Transit Connect. The H1 Ladder Rack from Vantech is one of the most versatile systems on the market. You can get it in steel or aluminum, in black or white, in a 2-bar or 3-bar configuration, and installation is super simple. On our 2016 Transit Connect, it's just one bolt through these uprights into the factory mounting locations. We went with the 3-bar configuration on our Transit Connect because it gives us about 3 feet between our rear and middle crossbar, and a little under 7 feet between our front and our rear crossbar. So that's going to work with extension ladders as well as your traditional step ladder. Now the aluminum racks are anodized to the color of your choosing, and the steel racks are powder coated. The kit includes everything you need to install, including your ladder stopper. So your ladder rung is going to go right up against the ladder stopper. It comes with ladder guides, so this is going to help you position the ladder on the crossbar, and it comes with these nice little hook and loop straps to secure the ladder to the ladder rack so it's not shifting around while you're in transit. This is one of the most affordable, versatile, and quality systems on the market. You're going to be challenged to find another product that is as good as the H1 Ladder Rack from Vantech. Now, if you're looking for a lift ladder rack or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.